Hello, Brian here again from spiritiv.co.uk, and in the previous video I showed you how you can refresh one of your beeswax wraps that's been getting a little bit old, how you can add a little bit more extra wax using one of our blocks and bring it back to life. Now unfortunately I put a little bit too much wax on, and as you can see from this wrap here, it's gone a little bit shiny, a little bit stiff, feels quite greasy. So there is a method that you can share this wax with another wrap. So we're going to use the iron method again. We need a tea towel again and some grease-proof paper. I'm going to zoom in now and show you exactly what to do. Okay, so we've got the tea towel, our lower piece of grease-proof, our iron set to medium hot, and the steam function's turned off again, like last time. And this is the wrap that's got too much wax on it. And here is another wrap that's a little bit old. It's not as bad, but we can do with a little bit of a refresh. So what we can do, put the old wrap underneath, and then the wrap that's got the excess wax, put it on top. Place our top layer of greaseproof. Make sure it's bigger than the wrap so you don't get wax oozing out onto your tea towel. Take the iron and, like before, just gently move the iron over the wrap. Now I'm going to turn this over and do the other side. Okay, so that's all you need to do. So let's peel it off. Remember, it's very hot, so be careful. We now have two pieces which have been refreshed. You can gently peel them apart and give them a waft. And there we go, we now have two refreshed beeswax wraps.